Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. So let's open the list of apps and enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for. So basically all we have to do is to tap on it and then confirm it with OK. Again, we have to confirm it with our password, and as you can see we've got this information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.